everybody, Rasam and Appam in the house. Today we are going to prepare Mumbai Kadhambam style Sambar. Kadhambam in Tamil means assortment, and today's Sambar is going to have a variation or assortment of vegetables.
So the ingredients for this dish are about 700 ml of water. Now we'll add the vegetables. Okay, so we'll start with drumsticks. We have taken about 3 drumsticks. Okay, so the small, just see that your drumsticks are nice and fresh. Then we have taken about 2 lady fingers and carrots. We have taken 1 carrot, 1 big carrot. Then now we'll add pumpkin, that is a red pumpkin. So that's about 250 grams of red pumpkin. Okay, you can add more as per your choice if you want more vegetables. Now we'll add cauliflower. This is about 1 small floret or about 110 grams. And you cut it into small florets. Okay, that's cauliflower. Then we have taken a brinjal. We have taken 2 brinjals. Okay, so we'll add the brinjal slowly, otherwise the water from the brinjal also will come out. Now we add water to the brinjal so that it doesn't become black. Okay, so that's brinjals. Now we'll be adding the green rind of the watermelon. So you do not throw that out. You can use this. It tastes just like cucumber. Okay, and you can just let it cook while, so let it boil so that it becomes softer. Otherwise it's quite thick. Now we'll add 1 tomato, 1 big tomato, and 1 medium size onion. So these are the vegetables that go in. In case you want to add beans, green beans, based on your availability, please do add them. Okay, we'll just mix it up a little bit. Now we'll add the sambar powder. Okay, so we have taken about 3 tablespoons of sambar powder. This is homemade. So that's your sambar powder. Okay, and now we will be adding 1 teaspoon of haldi powder. Post this, we will be adding the jeera and curry patta. So jeera we have taken 1 teaspoon and curry patta we have taken about 8 to 10 curry patta leaves. Now once this is all added, we'll add the tamarind water. The tamarind water is about 200 ml. Okay, we have removed the juice of the tamarind and we have just put it in a glass, and now we will be adding it to this mixture. So this is quite quick. Okay, and now we'll just give it a quick mix. After this, we even have to add, last is our salt, about 1 teaspoon of salt. Now just mix it up. What we'll do is we'll let it simmer and get boiled for a while. Okay, till all the vegetables are nice and soft. Let it get simmered. Okay, now if you see, I'm just stirring to just show you that how the vegetables have been cooked. It's 3/4 it has been cooked. What we'll do is we'll add our dal. Okay, we have taken almost 500 ml of dal. Okay, boiled nicely. Okay, what we'll do is now we'll just stir the dal in. Just mix it nicely. Okay, so that it becomes nice and thick. Then you come to know that how much your quantity has ended up to. Okay, if you want it thick, you can just leave it like this. But if you want it a little more watery, it is better to add a little more water. Okay, so we'll be adding about 200 ml of water. About 200 ml of water. Okay, and we'll just give it a final stir. Now this we leave it to simmer. Okay, then we'll check the salt later. Okay, now we'll just add about 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm just adding a little more than 1 teaspoon, and then I'll adjust it in case if it is lesser. I'll adjust it accordingly. So now I'll just stir it one final time and let it simmer. Okay, and the dish will be ready. Now we'll be giving the tadka for the sambar. The onions, so that it gets fried quickly. urad dal and rye. You can see it's nice black and white. So that's urad dal and rye. Okay, just mix it up a little bit. Okay. Now methi seeds, jeera, and we'll just mix it a little bit, and then we'll add the curry patta because that will splatter a lot. We'll try to remove them aside because the curry patta will splutter otherwise. Okay, so all is not coming aside. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll just add the curry patta. Look, it's spluttered. Okay. Now we'll add the tadka to it, the spluttering tadka to it. I'll just kind of mix it up this way. That's done. Now we'll mix it a little and we'll check the salt as well. Okay, so I think it's perfect. We'll just check the salt. Looks perfect. It's yummy. Okay, so this is what the dish looks like. Guys, like, subscribe, share on Instagram, Facebook, and especially YouTube. Bye guys, thank you.
So guys, hope you enjoyed this recipe. Well, we are going to come up with variations of sambar too. Looking forward to your feedback and comments after trying this recipe. And do not forget to like, subscribe and share on Instagram, Facebook and especially YouTube. Bye bye guys.